Sometimes we want to persuade a stakeholder or a client of a decision. And so we want to make sure that we set ourselves up for success when we go to persuade them. You want to understand your audience. You always want to tailor your message to your audience if you can. You want to resonate with their values, their interests, and their perspective. You want to appeal to their emotions. Use storytelling, anecdotes, and vivid language to evoke emotions and connect with them on a deeper level. Back everything up with evidence. You want to make sure this is logical. So support your arguments with credible data, facts, logical reasoning. This is going to build credibility and persuade even the most skeptical people. Anticipate objections and then address them. If you can anticipate all of the objections that you might get from someone, and then you already have a response prepared, you'd be amazed at how quickly you can get them to agree with you. And then you want to leave them with a compelling call to action. Make sure it's clear. This is what I need from you. This is when I need it by. This is why it's important. So Aristotle, another one of those ancient Greek philosophers that I admire, he wrote about the art of rhetoric. Rhetoric is speaking, debating, and persuading. And so he made it clear it requires all three: logos, pathos, and ethos, which is logic, emotion, and credibility. So all three of those must be present if you want to persuade effectively.